That's what you do when you're real crazy. Real crazy. Dude, you're gonna fall. I got you now. You almost got me. Assalamu alaikum. So I was singing and she was making fun of me.
He's not a good singer.
I was trying to say that we were going sailing.
Take me away.
So we're going sailing, and it's the first time I've ever been sailing on a sailboat.
Me too. We're excited.
Our captain is gonna just show us how it's done.
And since we're missing football today, I'm sporting the Falcons hat.
Yeah,
they actually play tomorrow, so yeah. I'm good.
Yeah, so go Packers.
They're playing right now. Jack's missing it.
Oh, I didn't know that. She tricked me. She twisted my arm and said she wants McDonald's, and I was like, I don't want McDonald's, but she wants McDonald's. And then
it's the only place on the way.
And then I said, hey, let's hit the dollar menu. And she goes, no, I want a #1. And I was like, all right, fine, I'll get a #1. So the #1 combo with the Coke got me again. All 8,000 calories of it. Haven't ever been on a sailboat. It's gonna be a cool experience. It's a pretty boat. It's a real pretty boat. A hiding place for a kayak. She looks seaworthy. What's the boat's name? Prototype 1? How about Little Blue? There's some pretty buoys down there.
Woo, lots of hard work. That's how you do it.
First launch successfully. It's christened with Natty Light. Pop it on. If I don't fall. Woo! First time aboard a seaworthy sailboat. That's pretty nice out here. That's pretty awesome. We're professionals already. I feel like a captain of old chasing whales. We're steering the sailboat. Got my captain's license. We're cool.
Like this is a normal size jib. Like if I had a Genoa, I'd be using a Genoa.
Check out the lean on the boat.
I'm posting pictures to Instagram like you were. Like yeah, you already did. You were the first one.
Get those sails up, sailor. Got a good wind to our forehead.
He's a captain.
Whatever it's however you say that.
Do your pirate impression.
Arr! It's almost up. Totally missed the pole. Excited about that. Butters keep running past. It's getting a little rocky. Ah! We got pants problems. Got a rainstorm coming up on our 6 there. Got a rainstorm coming. It's gonna get interesting. I've been out here in my kayak and worse. Except we got a lightning rod on our.
Except we
got a lightning rod. Had a crash course in sailing. I feel like I could do it to the Caribbean right now. No problem.
Woo!
We got the big sail up. It was a work in process, but we're making time. We're actually cruising. A bit. Some oysters right there. Check this out. We're at the place that I fed the fish through the floor. Just finished with oysters, shrimp, and crab claw samplers. And hopefully we know how to sail home. We got here.
Jack,
Yeah.
That light half at the mast, is it on?
Front man up here. I'm the official spotter. Got a new job. Samantha's got to learn that there's one captain on the boat.
Your job's in the way right now.
She likes to bark orders that the captain's not ordering off.
Got a glove.
This house is for sale. Woo! And we got another sailboat coming forward. Fellow sailors, this is our first time.
Have a beautiful time.
We're putting the sail up?
Yeah, man.
We're putting the sail up. Gotta check back. Got the lean going. It's quite scary.
It's really scary.
It feels like it's gonna tip over.
Scary.
It's close. I was hiding in the down there while I was steering. King of the world! I feel like Titanic.
No, we got it.
Freedom! Check out the sunset. I might fall off, seriously. So we're in an argument right now whether we're supposed to go to that bayou or that bayou.
Which one is it?
I'm sure it's that one.
I don't think so.
Well, look it up on your phone. I'm like real sure. Because there's a big ass bridge involved. I'm real sure it's the one with the bridge. I'm real sure. Look at that. That's a Pensacola sunset right there. Right now I feel like that scene in Titanic when they're on the bow. King of the world, you know? Mr. Pelican. It's like a 80-degree fall afternoon. I hope we don't run aground. I'm gonna fly off of here. Sun just hit the horizon. There's the Wahoo Baseball Park. Bayou Chico. Pensacola NAS is over there. I just saw a fish. Fish just blew up right there. That's what you do when you're real crazy. Real crazy. Dude, you're gonna fall. Or it's gonna break and I'm gonna die too. Haha! It's just the crow's nest. Woo! Woohoo! We're tilting! Last time he did this, he cut his hand wide open. You gotta have your Michael Jackson. Woo! Woo!
That's it right there. Pop-up mast, not near as stable as my father's. Top, a little sketchy.
Yeah, it started going like this.
No, it's got those two bolts, you know, that we almost tightened down.
Yeah, like this was tightening
Yeah.
up. I was like, woohoo! Samantha's singing. Good, good.
That's what I'm saying. Dude, first day out.
Boats on the water.
First day
I
out.
will see you, Craig, soon, my brother.
There you go, man.
Oh man, I told you on Sunday.
Yeah.
I'm glad you got in the water. If you need something, you can call
All right, man.
This is the Oar House over here. It's a great place to eat. You should check it out. Bust us some moves, Samantha. How goes it? Good, how are you?
Oh, it's gorgeous down
Perfect day. It was our first time sailing this one. Yeah. Went all the way to Pensacola Beach and back. Dixie's driving. It's a first time driver. First time captaining, driving, slash boating, slash parking.
Oh man, that's probably what we're doing. The barge, and then we'll go past them.
So we got a 6.6 horsepower outboard engine on this thing, and it's pushing it plus the sails. Awesome. Awesome.
Are we done for the day?
Breaking down the mast.
Dixie, say hi.
Hey, Mama.
We're wiggling the boat.
Hold it.
Go behind me. Go behind me.
Got it?
All right, you got it.
Let
behind
go behind
Go
him.
Go behind.
me. Straight down, Dixie.
Jack needs to do more pull-ups.
It's like a rhinoceros horn on a car. Long day. We sailed like all the way to Pensacola Beach and all the way back. It was a good ride. We almost flipped the sailboat. Probably not, but it felt like it was gonna flip.
We did almost flip it. It scared me.
It got freaky.
But I have to say, the water was flat and beautiful, and the sunset tonight was magnificent.
Yeah, the sunset was pretty awesome.
We got lots of footage.
All right, so we're out. See you later.
We're out of beer.
But beer's never out.
No, it's never out. Beer's never out. We got lots of water. Good thing.